Hi, everyone. I'm Dr. Veronica Kelley, Behavioral Health Director for San Bernardino County. The events of the past few months have been tumultuous, to say the least. But the mass shooting last night in Indianapolis may be particularly triggering for those of us here in San Bernardino County who survived our own mass shooting in 2015. So if you're feeling anxious or nervous or agitated or angry or sad, that's all normal. It's normal, whatever you're feeling. But if you are feeling anxious and overwhelmed, there are a few things we want to remind you you can do to help reduce your anxiety and make you feel more in control. The first thing is to put your feet on the ground. So physically, put your feet on the ground. If you have issues with being unable to use your feet, then we're going to focus on your backside. So either put your feet on the ground firmly and feel the ground underneath your feet. Same thing for your backside. If you're sitting in a chair, pay attention to what it feels like to sit, how the chair is supporting your butt, how that feels, and pay attention to that. You might want to stomp your feet a little bit so that you can feel the ground, maybe jump up a little bit so you can feel the pressure of the chair on your backside. That's called grounding. What that does is interrupt thoughts and feelings in our mind and makes us focus on the physical and the present so that you know that you are safe right here, right now. You're safe. You're okay. The other thing, if you are noticing that you are tense, you might check your jaw. So relax your jaw. Some of us clench our teeth when we're nervous or anxious. So relax your jawline. And then do 1 to 2 belly breaths. That means think about how you're normally breathing. We usually breathe very shallow. Gets the job done, but it's shallow, meaning the thing that moves is our chest when we're breathing. So what I like for you to try is do 1 or 2 when you're feeling anxious belly breaths, where you breathe in and you fill your belly with air. So breathe in and let your belly expand. Just do that a couple times. Finally, another breathing technique that you can use whenever you're feeling nervous or anxious is 4-7-8. That means we're going to take an inhalation through our nose for a count of 4. We're going to hold it for a count of 7. We're going to exhale for a count of 8, and we're going to do it 4 times. So I'm going to demonstrate. You breathe in for a count of 4, hold it for a count of 7, and exhale for a count of 8. You're going to do that 4 times. You can do any of those things at any time and no one will know, but it will help you. It will help reset your brain. Another important thing to remember as we move into this weekend is to really try and take care of yourself. And what that means is reduce your screen time. Don't watch the news. It's okay to miss the news for the next 2 days. So reduce your screen time. You can watch a movie that's not violent. You can watch some of your programs that you might have taped on your DVR. That's good, but stay away from the news and social media. Take a break just for a few days. Also, important to protect your peace. So think about the thing that gives you the most peace in your life, the thing you like to do the most, whether that is taking a walk, walking your dog, hanging out at the beach, or reading a book. And do those things this weekend with intention. And rely on your support system so that if you find your family to be supportive, hang out with them if possible. If that means that your friends are your support system, give them a call. However, if your family is not your support system, take a break from them this weekend. That would be appropriate as well. It is really important that we pay attention to our mental health because we all have it, in particular during times like these. Remember that together we will get through all this, and until next time, I will catch you on the well side.